Well, I just don't have that much mountain goat in me. I'm over the front door. I can see behind the fireplace chimney, that's the living room fireplace chimney. I can see that we've got a cricket. We've got ridge vents. In the couple videos further down, we're going to talk about the soffit vents. So the attic is ventilated. It's a dark roof. It's a recent installation. I believe I saw on the seller's disclosure, which we don't rely on too much. It says the roof's about 6 months old. Now right in here, in the doppling of the light, kind of, you can't see it, but you kind of see the little deflections like that. That's just what we have. Okay, over here behind the fireplace chimney, kind of see right in there. I mean, I wish the planes, the roof coverings were more in plane with composition shingles and 1980s construction, 2023 construction for that matter. I mean, that's just what we get a lot of times. If it's severe, then we would call that sumping. But, and this is all sumping, but we call it deflections. It's a real polite way to say that the graduates from Roof Covering University just couldn't really get it exactly right like that. I'm looking at some other details around. Okay, there should be a 2-inch gap right there. And for the most part, the details are looking pretty good. Okay. The drip edge is over the back of the rain gutter. That's a good thing. You don't see that very often. And then at the rain gutter right here, there should be a 2-inch gap between the rain gutter and the... And you know what? That's what I say. And that's important around the other corner. You know, where I talked about it at the end of, again, in a couple of videos, you're going to see that I talk about kick-out flashing missing. But right here, you know what? I don't think it's going to perform any better. It could probably perform worse if you had a 2-inch gap right there. So I'm just going to kind of like, you know, I'm not going to bring it up. I'm not going to talk about it.